5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northeast of Ducktown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail.
Holy cow.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Cherokee, east central Polk, and southeastern Monroe counties, including the following locations: Hiawass Dam, Anaka, and Violet. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe
Holy cow.
317